Sagittarius, hi. Welcome to the channel. This is your full moon reading, full moon in Aquarius, 19th of August 2024. It's going to be a very intense full moon. It is a very intense full moon for everybody. So we need to be on our best behavior, on our best. We need to watch out, we need to be vigilant. We need to make sure that we pay attention on what's going on. 5 of Wands. Feel the need to protect yourself. You feel kind of things are being plotted behind your back. Something you don't trust. There's a situation you don't trust. All you want to do is find the inner peace, the inner equilibrium, connecting to your fire energy. You are the king of fire, king or queen, whichever applies. So you're trying to make sure the volcano doesn't erupt. You're trying to stay in control of a certain situation. You're taking the peaceful route. You're not giving in to the feeling of confrontation. You may feel contradicted within, you may feel a little bit conflicted, you may feel a little bit stressed. But stay in control, stay calm, cool, calm and collected. 9 of Wands, releasing the burden, finding the inner balance. At last, things are moving towards balance, change. Lots of people experiencing some sort of transformation during this full moon in Aquarius, especially spiritually. But you're trying as hard as you can, you're trying to stay in control of the situation. And it's fine, because you're releasing the past, you're releasing that which you need to release. And you're finding a peaceful way for yourself. The Chariot, you're controlling this chariot with your mind. You don't need the reins, you're holding the staff here, the wand, the fiery staff. And you have all these fires burning, these stars are burning around you. And balance, inner balance, black, white, black, white. The dove of peace, peace lilies. What can I say? The Tower, you've been putting something on the back burner, now the divine is giving you a clear message. Get on with it. Do not delay that important decision any longer. Do not delay these important changes any longer. So, what have we got on the... You have schizophrenia. You are trying to bridge two worlds within yourself. This may be the physical, the spiritual, the emotional and the mental. It could be any combination of those. You're trying to bridge two worlds and you feel that you're bending under the strain. You're maturing. You're blossoming. But you're also complacent. You have been complacent. That is one of your negative traits here. Yes, you can take time out to pamper yourself, take a break, enjoy the sunshine. But not while you're living in a glass house that's been shattered. So what you need to do, you need to gather together the pieces that have been distributed, that have blown away in the wind. You're going to find the pieces of the puzzle, and you're going to put that picture back together. You're going to make yourself whole again by bringing in balance, by bringing in peace, by maturing, having a more mature outlook. Doesn't mean you have to neglect your inner child, but some things need a serious approach, and that is what you've been neglecting, been putting on the back burner. You've not been taking something very seriously, and now you have the regret. You have that feeling of disappointment and a missed opportunity, because the options and the opportunities were there to create something very significant, something very positive. But you chose to let it slide. And now working very hard to bring it all back together. So your patience, your endurance, your inner strength will pay off. Your self-control will pay off. Your determination, your focus will pay off. And things will look a lot better once this full moon period has passed, this sort of couple of days or so, when things are a little bit chaotic, to say the least. But it looks like the rest of the star signs are dealing with very similar concerns. They're dealing with things that they should have faced and they didn't face, and now it's going to be the scramble to put it all right. But don't make any rash decisions. It's okay. You don't need to be impulsive. Take your time. Plan that peaceful path. Stay in control of that fire. You are the king of wands, the king of fire, Sagittarius. Use that inner strength. Use that creativity, those inspirations, those new ideas that you're getting to get yourself out of this pickle. I mean, you're blossoming into a beautiful person. The third eye is open wide. You are connected to the divine. You are protected. You are in a bubble. Your mind is very much protected. So don't worry if that says schizophrenia. This is not what you're dealing with. You're dealing with duality, certain conflict within the physical, the spiritual. How to consolidate everything, how to bring it to a cohesive circle, a cohesive cycle. Yes, a new cohesive cycle is starting for you, Sagittarius. So, don't worry, it's nothing to worry about. Ride it out. Try and see the balance. Find the balance. Be careful. Take your time. Plan things. Replenish those energies when you need to, and stay in self-control. Thank you so much for listening, Sagittarius. It's very much appreciated. Please hit the like and subscribe button. And I will see you in the next reading. Until then, take very good care. Bye-bye.